one mantis. Can I get another one, please? I'll find screen.
Please, sir, may I have another?
Okay, you go crazy about that. Pay attention to Cortana. You need to kill the door.
Oh.
Shoot the shit out of it, man. Damn. Oh my god. Chris, you're so bad at this. Kill the door.
I'm working on it. I'm getting used to this son of a bitch.
You ever use it? Oh yeah, you can stomp with it. Hit right bumper. Your melee button.
My melee button's the B button.
Oh fuck, man. What the? God damn it. Because the only way this thing works is if you're aggressive with it. Which is kind of a plus and a minus. So if you play too passive with it, you're gonna get screwed on. Oh god. This is not made for someone who's not the mantis.
Fuck!
So I love how pathetically the mantis dies.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm uploading this raw.
You know what? I'm gonna get the mantis to
It starts with me and the mantis. I was getting used to this son of a bitch. Let me just deal with it.
Chris, play cautiously. Because if you die in the mantis, we are screwed.
You said I need to play aggressively with it.
Well, this is legendary, so you need to play. And we're on co-op. If it was regular, you could leave or inject however much you wanted. Don't let it overheat, though. Don't let it overheat. Why are you shooting at me for? This is what I don't comprehend.
What, me?
You're shooting at me.
How am I shooting at you?
No, I said they.
Oh.
The knights and all that. I don't even know why I'm even trying. Chris, don't charge them all at the same time. Don't forget, you can find them all individually. Oh, there's a lot of crap down that hallway. Watch out when you turn to make a right turn. I need to find a new gun. I need equipment. Oh crap, I didn't know this too. What do we got? It is a bunch of grunts and stuff, don't worry about it. Oh, why is it shooting at me?
Fuck!
I'll cover you, Chris. Pew pew. What is this? Please be a shield. Oh yes, a hard light shield.
The captain said the Didax linked in from the outer deck. That's where we want to be.
That is where we want to be, Cortana. Why do we want to be there, Chris? Doesn't look like this is a very pleasurable path to take there. Oh wait, there's a turret behind you. There's one of the turrets. No, it's okay, they seem to be more.
Yeah, I really wish there was like a zoom for this thing.
They seem to be a lot more focused on me, so I will. Oh, I'm doing a good job of distracting them.
Did not notice you died.
Alright, I'm right here. Alright, now I can take out some stuff. I'll focus on the watches, you focus on the big things.
I'm almost dead.
No, you're not almost dead.
Look at my health.
No, that's your shields. The mantis has the most health in the game. Just don't let them do too much damage to you while your shields are broken.
Bitch be following me!
Oh, he's following me. They're after me, dude. What are you talking about? Like, hey, you see that one guy by himself? Yep, let's kill him. There's a mech coming. Let's still kill the first guy. Like I don't get this. Alright, the turret's dead.
No, there's still one more.
There is? Oh, well, I need turret. I said singular. Ah, bro. Damn.
Oh, you should have seen that grunt.
Wait, just for the shit of it, just like hit the right button. Oh yeah, hit B button. You can still shoot while you're doing that too, which makes it actually very versatile.
Oh fuck!
Wait, just back up.
No, I can't. They.
Oh, I'm dead. That was horrific timing, game.
They fucking hit me with.
Wait, where are we?
Back there.
Well, we're not that far. We're not that destructively far back. So you got him.
That just annoyed me though. They hit me at the perfect for them time with a fucking charged plasma shot. Oh, we are almost at an hour.
We are? Yeah.
Oh, there you are, you bitch!
Chris is still surprisingly focused on killing me.
That one was literally just focused all on me.
Oh damn! Hey, just stay back. Soon. I'll distract him, and then you can use this as a chance to let your shields come back. Because we can't, as you can see, we can't afford losing the Mantis.
Yeah, I know. Alright, that turret's down.
I just took out the knight.
I'm coming in with the rockets, so watch out.
I know, Barley. No, make sure. Wait. Everything over here is basically dead. There's just that one grunt. They made him shoot across the floor.
What?
I'm a scout ahead. Oh god, this is a horrible scouting mission. Oh no! Oh, bullets. Oh, I died. You should be open. That should just. Yeah, you got him. Good job. I get those rolling Promethean grenades. Dink. Dink. Wait, there's just a bunch of little stuff over here. Wait, don't risk the Mantis. Because we don't need to get EMP'd again.
Yeah, true.
I'm just gonna take out.
I showed my dad the Mantis. You wanna know what he said?
What he said?
The Walker from Star Wars.
Oh yeah, it looks kind of like the AT-ST.
The AT-AT. I mean the AT-ST.
Oh,
Right.
Which one is it? Is the AT-AT or the AT-ST?
I think it's the AT-AT.
No, all-terrain. I think it's an all-terrain scout transporter.
Oh yeah, I think that one's not the AT-AT. I think that's the Hoth Walker, the big one.
Yeah. We got the damn, we got to take that fast.
Yeah, I really wish that there was like a boost button, just like run a little bit faster than this thing.
Something like that. You know you can crouch, right?
No, that actually would have been convenient. No.
Clicking your stick.
Oh yeah, I forgot, dog, because the damn thing, because we saw that thing teabagging in the game.
Must be incognitus, Chris.
Doesn't look much of a difference.
We gotta be sneaky. Wait, crouch again. We gotta be sneaky. We gotta be sneaky, Chris.
I don't think this is working.
I'm not sure if you can take it up this way. Oh god, few rods. Oh, you flew it. You flew it up there. You flew it safe with a few rods.
Not anymore, I just jumped.
Oh, what? Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Random ass quick crouching, go underneath the thing. No.
How is this working? Ah!
Oh god, what the ah!
It's a warp point! I'm supposed to be there when you go further!
You know what the you know?
Duh!
What is happening? Okay, it's dead. Let's move forward.
It's dead! It's fucking dead!
But you know what this reminds me most of, actually? It honestly reminds me of, remember Future Cop? Remember the one
Yes.
with Future Cop?
Oh yeah, by the way, you wanna know something fun?
Oh god.
I can get Future Cop off the PSN.
That's awesome.
Remember, they had a PS1 version.
Wait, does it include like the multiplayer mode?
I think so.
Oh my god.
It's the PS1 version.
I love Future Cop.
So did I. Remember, you and I would play that game to death on your computer?
I love that game. I don't know what it was about it. And the fact that they made it like no BS because you like skips, like shared health and stuff. Oh man, that game is the best.
There's a...
Wait, squat while you're doing it. Did you keep clicking it? Look at my screen.
I'm watching it on your screen.
Oh man. Master Chief, good to see you're here.
Chief, what are you doing?
Master Chief? Oh, there are two of you.
It's like, what are you doing? It's like, you didn't see anything. Bonk.
Oh yeah, this part's gonna be a little annoying. Hold on, because it's just a lot of crap. I'll take out all the funny EMP guys. You just focus mainly on neutralizing the objectives.
Yeah.
I went the wrong way. It was my fault and your fault at the same time. Well, I got when you clear everything on the side is basically good. But I'll see if I can take out some of these objectives.
That's one down.
Dink.
That's
Take
two down.
Giant green. Oh, something flew right at me. Shoot back at it, Chris. You're bigger than it. Don't risk the health of the Mantis. I got its fuel rod. I'm on my previous fuel rod. I mean, a cracked plasma pistol at me, and there's a Banshee up. Chris, oh god.
Oh, fuck me!
No thank you, Chris, I'm full. Focus on the thing that's dropping out. Kill me. Don't try and kill him, man. Maybe we'll kill him. I'm still dead.
Oh, I did not know you. Oh,
screwed.
shit.
You're screwed. Damn. Insert parachute here.
Oh, just look at the time.
Didact's not letting go without a fight.
Initiate the link manually.
What I want to know, people, is where the hell did those things come from?
It's possible that they're native to Requiem, or whatever counts as native for a Forerunner AI.
We've never seen this type of offensive reaction from any of the other installations.
Other installations?
Mr. Lasky.
Infinity's mission has been to locate the remaining Halo rings, and establish permanent bases to study them for decommission. We got locations up and running around installations 5 and 3, but Lately, they've run into some setbacks.
A science team got zapped excavating a Forerunner artifact. This sensor data is all that was left.
Interesting. These symbols are a derivation of the Forerunner glyph system.
And our geeks managed to pull some coordinates. I'll give you 3 guesses where it led.
Sir, Gypsy Company is prepped and ready to roll on your orders.
Thank you, Palmer. Mr. Lasky, you take point. I want boots on the ground in 60.
Captain,
This is a first contact scenario, Master Chief. Priority is to free Infinity from Requiem's gravity well and file a threat assessment back at FleetCom.
You mean we're leaving?
sir, Infinity drove the Didact back. He's vulnerable.
He isn't the only one. You know, I think you, of all people, would appreciate the benefit of living to fight another day.